Hey chums! Greetings from Busch Gardens, Tampa, and we are here for opening weekend of Howl-o-Scream. Howl-o-Scream Tampa. So last night we went and we did Howl-o-Scream Orlando, so this is our second night of Howl-o-Scream here in Busch Gardens,
Yes.
Tampa.
We got another 5 houses to get through. We're gonna have to go check out some of the merch, check out the scare zones. There's apparently a hidden scare zone somewhere where you can just kind of end up in the scare zone and you're stuck in it. So I'm very curious to see what that's about. And the rides are open so we can get some night rides on Iron Gwazi. I'm stoked. Let's go get scared. And we have got some Howl-o-Scream merch. This is the Busch Gardens Howl-o-Scream merch. Very similar to the SeaWorld. Like the official shirt is also $36.99. And on the back we also have all 5 houses. And then over here are these glasses and shot glasses. This glass is actually very cool. I didn't really get to see this in the light last night at SeaWorld. But it's also got that 80s throwback Howl-o-Scream logo. Super cool. Oh, these pins are great. Look at these pins, Mel.
Oh, those are really cool.
I think we need one. That is an awesome pin. And they are $14.99. Yep, gonna buy this for sure. We also have the shirt in a can, just like at SeaWorld. A lot of this merch is very, very similar. A couple of new things I noticed is this, like this lanyard. All the dancing skeletons for $9.99.
I like this shirt.
I love this shirt. Guess I'll die. How much is this one? $29.99. Nothing on the back, but we do have the Howl-o-Scream logo on the sleeve. And then the orange trick-or-treat shirt. It's pretty cool. I definitely like the skeleton shirt better. And then there's the Scaredy Cat shirts for all you cat lovers, ourselves included. Howl-o-Scream mugs for $16.99, and then the thermoses for $19.99. The zombie shirt.
Last year.
What's that?
They had that last year.
Oh yeah, that's right. I
SeaWorld.
don't remember if it was sparkly like this one is though.
I think it was.
That's very cool. Then all our pins. I also like this one, the little ice cream cone with the eyeballs in it. That's very cool.
That is cool.
And then we have traditional Halloween merch over here. Some mugs and the bottle of booze. All kinds of fun stuff.
I like these.
I do
love
too. I
Halloween
think we need some new Halloween decorations for the house. These are very cool. Little furry bones. It's a little skull avocado. And the mermaid one. These are killer. The I'm too old for this sheet shirt for $29.99. Bucket of koozies. And then this is Mandy's Meat Market. So all the rest of the Halloween merch is inside of here. That's a very cool shirt, by the way.
I love that.
Yeah, that's a great shirt. How much is that one? $36.99? All right. I actually like this regular plain Howl-o-Scream shirt. It's not crazy fancy, but I like simple designs. Very cool. And they have sweatshirts too for when it gets a little chillier out soon. Look how pretty she looks in all the fog with the lights on. I do love the fact that the Iron Gwazi sign looks like it could be part of Howl-o-Scream, and you'd never know if you weren't already a fan of this park. Over here at the Coke Theater, we have the 50/50 show. Choose your fate. So I guess this is every night at these times, 7:30, 8:15, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:45, 11:30, and 12:15. I think it looks like it's some kind of game show. See the 3 doors and like the little wheel? I think we're gonna go check out Fiends over at Festival Field.
Wow, would you look at that? I can't believe we're here. Where are we?
Tinseltown.
Are you sure? Because that sign says Hollywood. I've seen bigger hills.
Igor, we finally made it. In just under an hour, the words Dr. Frankenstein will be engraved on a cement star and placed among some of the greatest names in entertainment history.
Oh, Doc, check him out. Don't let Alec Baldwin near these guns. 1,
2, 3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. You look so fine that I really want to make you mine. Watch me how I work it. Shoulders back 'cause I know I'm worth it. Been strong, been bold, been powerful. I walk with swagger 'cause I know I own it. I'm the strut. Whoa, oh, oh. Light it up. Whoa, oh, oh. Here I come now. Watch out, here I come now. I'm the strut. I'm gonna stand up. Whoa, oh, oh. Light it up. This is my anthem.
All right, the password is SIENT.
My creation! Tell me, how do you feel?
Time magazine, I'm the person of the year. Grab a bottle off the shelf, time to cheers. Best friends with the top on the A-list. Backstage with the... Put your hands on your hips. You're making easy time. It's a pelvic thrust. That really drives you insane. Let's do the time for the game. Let's do the time for the game. Let's do the time for the
Give me candy.
Oh yeah, we definitely found a scare zone.
Look like Death Eaters. I mean, not Death Eaters, I can't even think of what they're called right now. Dementors.
Yeah, they totally do. Well, I think there's supposed to be a scare actor behind every one of these. And I think there was a scare actor behind 2 or 3 of them. Anyway, that was In the Shadows. Our next scare zone is Ravens. Our next scare zone is Ravens Mill. Yes. This looks awesome. This is super, super well done.
That way they can see it a lot easier. Because your light is, yeah, that's more.
There you go. She got it.
Oh yeah, look at the windmill. This is cool, like the
Some people
cornfields.
can't hang.
This is an awesome scare zone. Here comes another scare zone. This is this is Skeleton Crew. Oh, sweet! It's the pirate themed scare zone.
Dare to join the crew. You're starving for some fresh meat. Give me your island! Guess what?
Almost immediately after the Skeletons Crew scare zone, the pirate scare zone, we are in another scare zone.
It's a used car lot.
Used car lot. Boy, have we got a deal for you! Here is the Residence, which is, I believe, a Christmas-themed house. I think we did this one last year, but this is a reimagined house. They've completely redone it. Very curious to check it out. Let's go see.
We just finished the Residence, which is not a new house. It was a reimagined house. That house was amazing. That was so beautifully done. Basically what you're looking at is it's Christmas, but instead of having like a lovely Christmas, you're having like a nightmarish Christmas. So I thought that was super cool.
It was one of the coolest houses I've ever done in my life. That was amazing. They used smells, sounds, and it made you nice and uncomfortable. It was awesome. All right, let's move on. Here we are at another scare zone, The Shortcut. Let's check it out.
Keep this Roman King of Kings.
Yeah.
Oh God, the spirit of all their joys.
Well, this is the most metal scare zone so far. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this is like it's like I'm gonna go see Portal play.
Oh man, look how cool
This looks amazing.
And he stood on the top of Mount Salaya and yelled to the village widow, I have proved that the darkness is not beyond Mount Salaya. But then he turned to his left and stepped off Mount Salaya, falling into the darkness, never to be heard or seen for again. So as he walked into the darkness, call out his name, say, Elam! Are you there? If you are quick and witty, you will hear him reply, I am here. Do not let him follow you home, though. Go in peace or shoot video. He shall be with you.
Isn't that a cheese?
That's Edom. That's Edom.
This is a cool scare.
Oh, this is great. When we were here with our friends last month, we actually saw them setting all this stuff up. Really cool to see what it actually became. That was a great scare zone. And now, the Voodoo Scare Zone. Another short but cool scare zone. And here it is, we found the brand new house beyond the veil. We are gonna go in and check this out. Oh, you know what? This may just be a scare zone. Yeah, this is just a scare zone. This is the coolest scare zone. Man, this is incredible. Okay, we found the last house. This is the new house, Stranglewood Estate.
So we finished the last house, and that last house was like, what was the theme of that house? I guess it's like literally just a haunted house.
That's it. It's an estate that has become filled with ghosts. It's literally a haunted house,
It was cool, really
was cool.
That was the new house. I still think the Christmas one was better though.
I agree 110%. That was awesome. The other house was good. It was well done. It was well put together. The decorations were gorgeous. And the scares were timed really, really well. And there was a couple of really cool surprises. And obviously I'm not going to spoil those for you guys. But if you do those, there's something that I did in that house that I've never done in any other house. But the Christmas house was the star of the show.
I have to agree with that.
That was unbelievable.
Yeah, I have to agree with that. And the scare zones were really
Scare zones are great.
done very well. Yeah.
I thought they got better and better. Like each time we go through a scare zone, I was like, that was cool, and then oh, that was even better, and oh, that was even better. Yeah, it was really well done. The one thing I will say is there is a slight lack of scare actors. I noticed in a few of the scare zones, there's spots where you would see normally scare actors popping out, and there was nobody there.
So it's kind of like when you go to a place and you order muffins, like blueberry muffins or chocolate chip muffins, and one muffin has like 5 chips, and the other muffin is full of blueberries or full of chips. That was what it was kind of like. Like it was either there was a bunch of people there or really like a muffin with no blueberries.
Yeah, I don't think it terribly diminished the experience though, because really, for me, I'm more into the technical aspects, the decorations, how things were built, and the artistry of it. So, but obviously you need scare actors to have a Halloween experience, and I feel like there was lacking a bit of scare actors, but the houses were great, the scare zones are great. Overall, I would absolutely recommend coming to Howl-o-Scream at Busch Gardens for 2022. Really fun. I had an awesome time. It is late. It's open till 1 o'clock in the morning on Saturdays. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna head home. Be sure to subscribe to this channel right this second if you've not done so already. Smack that like button, hit that bell icon to receive all notifications every single time we upload a new video. And until next time, we will see you guys at the parks.